Please tell me that recorded something. I've been painting like a maniac, recording, telling you my life story, and the damn thing wasn't recording. Anyhow, I don't know how far back I gotta go. But we were painting the teeth on the shark because yesterday it didn't hit record clearly on the GoPro after I decided to finish the carving of the shark, or the GoPro stopped. I'm having some serious GoPro malfunctions here, and I think all of them are user error. But yeah, I did this great video, painted Sharky Shark and the Sharky Bunch, and realized that I got a part of the video but where I started painting, but the actual finishing of the job didn't get recorded. So then I jumped in here and I started the video again. I did this really cute, hopefully it's on there, but I'm suspicious that it's not. And I painted the teeth of Sharky Shark and the Funky Bunch. That's what this was supposed to be about. And yeah, as it turns out, I don't think it was recorded. So now the shark's got white teeth, and everyone's going to be like, what the heck happened, man? The last part of your video I saw you were painting the fin. And now the whole freaking shark's painted, and he's got white teeth. And you missed the whole part, and you'll be like, why does he have white on his lips? And it's like, that's save you the long story, but it's because this guy is not the best painter in the world. He's not even the best painter in this house. How about that? Sometimes I think the dog could do a better job. But yeah, how about that? Yeah, look at those misses already. Look at that. There and there and there. Goodness gracious. All right. I don't like how gray he is. So what I've done, I took the same leftover white I had. I've just added a little more water to it. Made it a little runny because I want to wash some white on him. I'm talking good game, like I know what the heck I'm doing, but you know, we're all in this together, and I'm a big fan of trying new things and just seeing what works. A lot of prayers, a lot of hopes and prayers. All right, I didn't wash as much of the gray out as I thought it would. Definitely looks frosty now, which is kind of cool. I don't hate that. But I am going to add some more white and make it a little thicker to make them just a little more. Just a little more. This time I actually caught the GoPro stop, so there shouldn't be a blank in there. In case you guys are wondering, this is an awesome shark video. Me painting a shark. But he's currently over there drying. Alright, just a little bit thicker. And we'll give it a washy, washy, wash. Washy. There, that was more what I was looking for. So I definitely diluted it more than I wanted to in that first attempt on the beard, as you can see. But this has got a lot more white in it. Looks like a cool gray old man with gray hair. I have hair envy. But yeah, we'll just touch his beard up. Oops, reading the wrong one to really screw it up. Okay. The boy is pouting. He wants to do something, but he doesn't enjoy the rain. So does not enjoy the rain. So going out and zooming with me and beating me up in the backyard, not exactly something that's really of interest to him. So he knows this, but he also knows he wants to have some fun and do something. So I'll get this painted up. Get him grayed up a little bit. What do we think? I think that turned out okay. And if you're looking at that white up there, just like Sharky Shark and the Sharky bunch that I painted, like the white here on the gray, I'm now going to have to mix up some more gray. I got to fill the spot in there beside the teeth without putting gray on the teeth, which you know I'm going to. I got to put gray on here to cover the white and hopefully not hit the teeth. Yeah, I'm going to use that fine point one. I'm just going to keep doing it, and one day I'm going to be good enough at it. I'll get it right the first time. But the teeth are white. I don't hate the color of the gray. Yeah, a little part of me wants to wash this underside with. Oh, I just don't know what it would look like. Oh, I'm not going to do it, but I am going to mix up some more of the gray. So remember that 3-to-1. Okay, 3-to-1 was what we mixed it up. We're going to hope. Oh boy, that's way more than 3-to-1. That's more like 3 black to 1 white. Maybe I take a little bit of the black and the white, and I'll move it over here, give it a mix. Let's see if that's going to give me the texture and texture. Your texture's everything. Am I even close to the right color? Who knows? There's enough white paint in this brush that hopefully it will change that up. Let's see here. Oh, that's actually pretty close. Good thing I somewhat paid attention to something in my life when I did the 3-to-1 mix rating. Let's give it a college try here. All right. Fingers crossed. Okay. I can feel your prayers. Don't touch the teeth with the gray. We're just going in gentle. Okay. One step at a time. Start further out, get closer. Oh, goodness. Oh, fark. Okay. Am I the only one with nerves are shot right now? Feel like I'm not. One of you is watching this and you're saying, oh, don't screw it up, boy. But you know, how we learn. How we learn. All right, it's not terrible. Not terrible, I might add. Okay. So what did we manage to pull off? I managed to get the lion's share of the white off that side. That color match, you know, I've seen worse. I'm just going to blend it out a little bit, you know. Get a little air drying. Wonderful. Just wonderful. Okay. How easy was that? I'm going to mix my white out. Draw my handy dandy brush. Now I got another job to do.